Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Windows Admin Center on Windows 10. First of all, we will know what is Windows Admin Center. What is Windows Admin Center? Windows Admin Center is a new, locally deployed, browser-based management tool set that lets you manage your Windows servers with no Azure or cloud dependency. Windows Admin Center gives you full control over all aspects of your server infrastructure and is particularly useful for managing servers on private networks that are not connected to the Internet. Windows Admin Center runs in a web browser and manages Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2012 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows 10, Azure Stack HCI and more through the Windows Admin Center gateway installed on Windows Server or domain joined Windows 10. In this demonstration lab I have one Windows Server 2019 and Windows 10 machine. Our Windows Server 2019 have configured Active Directory. The name of AD is vinayak.local. Let's close ADUC. Go to Windows 10 machine. Our Windows 10 machine is member of Active Directory, vinayak.local. And I am log on as domain admin in this machine. Let's open web browser. Type google.com. Then press enter. Type on Google search bar, download Windows Admin Center of Windows 10. Let's click on first link, Windows Admin Center, Microsoft. Let's drop down, go to end of page. Click on download now. It is an MSI package, click on continue. Fill up the required detail to download the setup. After filling the detail click on continue. Let's click on download. As you can see, setup is downloading. Setup is downloaded, go to download folder. Here a Windows Admin Center, version 2103.2 setup file. Close web browser. Right-click on setup file then click install. Click I accept these terms, click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. This is the Windows Admin Center default port. Click on create a desktop shortcut to launch Windows Admin Center. Click install. Let's click on finish. Our Windows Admin Center setup is installed on Windows 10 client machine, as you can see the shortcut on desktop. Right-click on Windows Admin Center icon and click open. Click on OK. Select certificate then click OK. Our Admin Center has been opened. As you can see, it will showing Windows Admin Center successfully installed version 2103.2. As you can see, Under all connections it will showing our Windows 10 local machine. Now I am going to add our Windows Server 2019 on this admin center. Click on Add. These are all the resources which we can get added in our admin center. Let's click on Add under Servers. Enter a server name. Our server name is Win1. As you can see, it's found our Windows Server. Click on Add. Click on server win1.vinayak.local. See, our server is connected. You are currently viewing the overview of server, in which the hardware of our server is shown, like processor, RAM, CPU graph etc. Select roles and feature. Now I am going to install Dhcp role and Ipam feature through admin center for testing purpose. Let's select on Dhcp server. Drag down little bit. Select IP address management. Click install. As you can see, it will showing install Dhcp roles and Ipam feature and add-on feature of Dhcp. Click on reboot the server automatically, if required. Click yes. The roles and feature installation in progress. After install Dhcp role and Ipam feature, I will check on server these role or feature is installed or not. Let's close notification. Go to server machine. Click on server manager. Refresh server manager. As you can see, Dhcp role and Ipam feature shown on server manager console. This means Dhcp role and Ipam feature is installed on server through admin center successfully. Go to Windows 10 machine. In this video we have learned what is admin center and how it works. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.